Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and today I'm going to be talking about the 18 and under contest. If you don't know what that is, stay tuned because it's something very near and dear to our hearts here at Myshire Farm. So, if you are under the age of 18, or your children, your grandchildren, your niece, your nephew, your friend, whatever, if you're under the age of 18, you can enter to win a Wynola Ranch cage and 60 free Myshire Farm hatching eggs every month to help you on your journey, right? So we do this because we really want to encourage the next generation to become more self-sufficient, understand where their meat and eggs come from, learn entrepreneur skills, learn responsibility, learn hard work, understand budgeting and how much it costs for things, and really try to get them excited and enthused and educated about how they need to be doing things later on in life. So this is really to promote work ethic, entrepreneur skills, thinking for yourself, and self-sufficiency. And it's something that we take very, very seriously. So Wynola Ranch and myself have been doing this for a little over a year, and I realized last week that I really haven't announced it very well, except for tidbits here and there. So this video is going to explain all of that. So, if you're under 18, you can enter to win by just emailing zack@myshirefarm.com. ZACK@myshirefarm.com, right? The email link will also be in the description, just so you know. With that, you will want to put your name, your age, where you're from, and why you want to start with quail. And we pick a winner every month. It is announced the first Sunday of every month on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, at the beginning of our live Q&A. We do a live Q&A every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The first Sunday of every month, we announce the winner of the 18 and under contest. You only have to enter once, and then we'll keep it on file and pick somebody every month. But Wynola Ranch has been very generous and kind to do this with us. Coturnix Corner contributes as well. We also get some sponsors to help out as well, so there's some free stuff every once in a while also. So again, this is very, very important to us, and I really don't ask this very much, but if you could support this by sharing it, getting the word out, because it's very important that the next generation starts to develop an understanding and an appreciation for life, self-sufficiency, homesteading, raising your own meat and eggs, thinking for themselves, entrepreneur skills, critical thinking. I mean, there's just so much that this is involved. But one of the best things that I've noticed since we've been doing this is the Hogan family won just a few months ago. And they have reached out to me and told me that it is now a family project. So every day, father and son go out there, take care of the quail, collect the eggs, and it's a bonding thing, and I really love that. I think that's very important for memories and thinking back and saying, well, this is the way it should be. And hopefully we can get this country and this society back on track as far as what's important and what we should be focusing on, which is family and self-sustainability. So I hope you can help me share this message to everyone. This week on the live Q&A, I'll be announcing a lot more about this coming up, 18 and under contest, so you might want to check that out. I've got some really cool things that are going on. But remember, we do this every month. So if this video is a week old, a day old, or 6 years old, we're gonna continue to do this in one way or another. So join, participate, and share so that we can get the word out. Subscribe, like the channel, support us. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, stay safe and God bless.